The feeling of heaviness, pressure, or tightness in the chest area is commonly considered as a chest congestion that often occurs when the fluids or mucus build up in and around your lungs, making you feel unpleasant and uncomfortable. 1. Fenugreek tea. To make the tea, boil a tablespoon of fenugreek seeds into 1/2 cups of water for 10 minutes, then remove from heat and let the seeds steep for 10 to 15 minutes. 2. Salt water. Gargling with hot salt water several times a day will effectively treat chest congestion. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to a glass of warm water. Mix well until the salt is dissolved thoroughly. Gargle with it 2 or 3 times daily until your congestion clears. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Add 2 teaspoons of organic raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar to a cup of warm water. Mix in 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Drink this solution 2 or 3 times a day for a week. 4. Turmeric. You can add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder to a glass of milk and boil it. Mix in 2 teaspoons of honey and a pinch of black pepper. Drink it hot 2 or 3 times daily. 5. Onion. Extract the juice of 1 onion. Add equal amounts of lemon juice, honey and water. Heat this mixture until it is lukewarm. Drink this solution 3 or 4 times a day. You can also eat raw, baked or cooked onions to help mucus flow easily. If you have any question, then discuss in our community or comment, like, share and subscribe our channel to get more videos.